So today topic is interstate water dispute. Interstate water dispute means there is a dispute between the two. There is a dispute between the two states for the concern of the water sharing. One state utilizes their whole 80 to 90% of this river water. Another state gets like about 20 to 30% of that water. So that's caused dispute. Means everyone has a right, no one everyone has a right to use river waters equally, but some other state, for some upper state, when this river goes downwards, some upper state creates dam or some construction that prevents the water to go further, and they create and they use the water in their daily activities. So what other states do? There is a, that's why there is a dispute. Another reason is the, like there is a state, there is a dam built and their height is a very great above, means the dam is made in a very heightable area. So there is also a concern. Second means another state is concern if the flood occurs, if the means broke, if the walls of the dams broken. So what are they going to do? So this is also a concern of the another region. So this is the concern. This causes dispute. And what are the solutions to resolve this dispute? Number one is they conduct, means they have to do conducting meetings. That's why, because for example, a Supreme Court can conduct a meeting, both the states High Court, and they resolve, and they came to a common solution that both the areas or both the states are agree that they provide similar, that they provide 50-50% of the share, that nobody gets more share. So this is the reason, and this is the solution that Supreme Court can do it. And number second reason is that another second reason is that some states do a particular meeting regarding, means if we cite the Supreme Court, then they also do meeting in a air, like there is also a meeting, the Indus Water Treaty, that the Pakistan India gets regular meeting on a in a once in a year. So they have also do this meeting. In the same meeting they also do the meeting and to solve the issues. This is also they have to use like the traditional methods when no one creates a dam or no one creates a, sorry guys, means they can use the traditional methods. Like when the earlier times, we know that no one creates a hindrance, they utilize the equal share of water. In the today's we also do this, like we also do this to use the equal share of water. But there is another concern, that why is the today's world and in the today's era, why the dams, why the countries are built so much dams? This is also a reason, major concern. So we are going to talk about what are the pros and cons of the building a dam. Pros means advantages of building a dam. First of all, when you made a dam or to create a destruction between the rivers, means between the river flowing, so they create a type of atmosphere, and water gets accumulated, and it can benefit all over the section of the society that's located around them in their everyday work, like eating, drinking, or everyday like agriculture work. Number second reason is when the monsoon season comes, we see that the river water gets means twice then there, means we know that river water means reach twice in their limit. So we know that dams can gain a very massive full impact of this, because it can, if dams are not built, it can create a floods like situation. So dam is very well. Number second and number third reason is why dams are so much important, because of the hydropower electricity. They can generate a hydroelectricity, so we can use it in many different ways. Now we talked about the advantage. What are the disadvantage? If for example, if one country or one state develop dams, so what the other country do, what are going to do? They have dependent on that river. If you cut down this connection, what the other country do? Number one reason is that what the other country do. Number second is scattering it, because they can influence the water ecosystem. We know that when the river flow, they carry the root segment, they have the fishes, they have the sometimes animal ecosystem. When you create a destruction, when you create a construction, the ecosystem gets stuck and they have massive impact on the environment. third reason is that when water get accumulated, there is a lot of gases produced in that water. There is also a gas produced that means creative, that create in the climate change, that create the climate change, that create a means that obstruct, not obstruct, that means help, not help, but that have to erupt the greenhouse gases, and it is very harmful for us. Number third reason is this. Number fourth reason is we can say that the means their gateway can disrupt, means the debris means very unlimited amount of debris gets struck into their gateway. So this is also a major concern. Now we